1209.
What it do, 30?
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Niftee Vibes. Got another behind the scene photo shoot to show you guys. This one done again, downtown Orlando. Funny thing about this one is I actually left my tripod somewhere out there. Think I saw it in one of the footages, but a little too late. Got me a new one. We're recording on that now. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and roll the clip.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
Ooh. What the fuck you doing, child? I know that's right. Look at how I look hippie. Oh, I love it.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
Go what they do. What we looking like. Okay.
Soundstripe.
That's fire. That's fire. With the entire building, that's fire.
Soundstripe.
Yeah, that is a. I'm retarded. Sorry.
It just looks funny going backward. Let's see if we can get it. Look, all right, there it is.
No, it's funny.
See, when you go forward,
Okay,
it looks
okay.
better.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go backwards.